Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about China Bohai Bank Co. Limited annual report. China Bohai Bank Co. Limited offers a wide range of banking services to both personal and corporate clients. The bank operates through four main segments: corporate banking, retail banking, financial markets, and others. The corporate banking segment provides various products and services, including corporate loans and advances, trade financing, deposit-taking activities, agency services, wealth management services, consulting and advisory services, remittance and settlement services, and guarantee services. These services cater to the needs of large corporations and businesses in China. In addition to corporate banking services, the bank also offers retail banking products and services, such as personal loans, deposit-taking activities, personal wealth management services, and remittance services. This segment focuses on providing financial solutions to individual customers. The financial markets segment is responsible for managing money market transactions, repurchases transactions, interbank investments, and bond investments and trading. The bank also manages overall liquidity and position, including the issuance of debts. This segment plays a crucial role in maintaining the stability of China's financial markets. Overall, China Bohai Bank Co. Limited provides a comprehensive range of banking services to meet the diverse needs of its clients. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth for the company are multifaceted and diverse, reflecting a comprehensive approach to business expansion. Technology finance has emerged as a significant contributor, with a 52.2% increase in loans to technology enterprises. Green financial services have also seen substantial growth, with a 36.77% increase in green loans. The transaction banking business has experienced a notable surge, with a 30.61% year-on-year increase in cumulative annual transaction volume and a significant rise in corporate deposits. In addition to these key areas, the company's international settlements have increased by 48%, while corporate deposits through FT accounts have exceeded RMB 50 billion. The bond underwriting amount has also seen a notable increase of 26.6%. Furthermore, innovative bonds and special products have experienced a remarkable growth of 93.84%. The retail business has grown, with a 6.93% increase in retail customers, while wealth management has seen various increases across agency wealth management, agency trusts, traditional insurance premiums, and personal pension deposits. The company's interbank business has also made significant strides, with the Hong Kong branch diversifying its operations into new areas such as interbank fund transactions, bond investments, certificate of deposit issuance, and foreign exchange trading. Overall, these drivers demonstrate a commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer-centric growth strategies, contributing to the company's revenue expansion. The net income of the company experienced a mixed trend over the years. In 2025, it increased by 4.61% compared to 2024, but decreased by 20.83% in 2024 compared to 2021. However, there was a significant increase of 48% year-over-year due to growth in cross-border financial services. Notably, the net income transitioned from a loss of RMB 10.49 billion in 2023 to a loss of RMB 10.39 billion in 2024, indicating an improvement. The profit margins also underwent changes during this period. The net profit margin fluctuated between 21.45% and 29.63%, with the highest being 29.63% in 2021 and the lowest being 19.35% in 2023. The operating income margin decreased by 0.1% from 99.2% to 98.9%. On the other hand, the net profit margin increased by 0.3% from 96.7% to 97%. The reasons behind these changes can be attributed to several factors. The growth in cross-border financial services was a significant contributor to the increase in net income and profit margins. Additionally, the launch of innovative treasury service ecosystems and investment banking business expansion also played a crucial role. Furthermore, the optimization of credit structures and improvement in system and model contributed to the overall improvement in profit margins. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate operating cash flow. The The data shows that the net cash flows generated from operating activities have been consistently positive over the past 2 years, with $92,909,178 in 2024 and $666,291 in 2025. This suggests that the company is efficiently managing its operations and generating sufficient cash to cover its expenses. Furthermore, the company's net liquidity has also remained positive at $124,641,809, indicating a healthy financial position. The combination of these two indicators confirms that the company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow, which is essential for its long-term sustainability and growth. The company's debt level has experienced some fluctuations over the past year. While total liabilities have increased by a modest 2.3%, non-derivative financial liabilities have seen a more moderate increase of 0.9%. However, debt securities issued have shown a significant rise, increasing by RMB 1,293,456 and reaching RMB 330,593,371 in 2025. On the other hand, borrowings from the central bank have decreased by 7.1%, resulting in a lower amount of RMB 72,741,786. In terms of interest expenses, there has been a notable decrease due to a reduction in debt securities issued and a decrease in the asset-liability gap. Specifically, interest expenses have dropped by 21% from 33 to 26, and the actual amount has decreased from 321,495 to 125,026. However, it's worth noting that there was also an increase of 34% in interest expenses from 44 to 59 in a different context. Management is emphasizing the importance of deepening reform and transformation in 2026 to achieve the company's goals. The 9531 strategy will be implemented, focusing on risk control support and fundamental safeguards. This approach prioritizes value creation and high-quality development, with a focus on qualitative breakthroughs over quantitative accumulation. The company is also investing heavily in technology, including IT infrastructure transformation and upgrading, the development of an autonomous AI computing base, and the introduction of artificial intelligence to improve anti-money laundering system efficiency. Additionally, management is committed to promoting comprehensive high-quality development, serving the real economy as its fundamental purpose. Inclusive finance will continue to be a key priority, with the application of artificial intelligence in information technology and other banking sectors accelerating. The company is also adhering to Xi Jinping thought on socialism with Chinese characteristics for a new era, pursuing progress while ensuring stability, and advancing 5 priorities as a key driver. Furthermore, management is cultivating a financial culture with Chinese characteristics, strengthening corporate culture development, and focusing on brand building through digital infrastructure and promotional campaigns. The company is also actively implementing green development concepts, enhancing strategic guidance, and improving the quality and efficiency of green financial services. Overall, management strategy emphasizes the importance of transformation, technology, and sustainability in achieving the company's goals. The company has made a few strategic moves through acquisitions and divestitures. Notably, there have been no acquisitions mentioned in any of the pages reviewed. On the other hand, the company has engaged in some divestitures. One notable example is KPMG Huajian LLP, which was divested from the company's portfolio, as per page 103. Additionally, the company sold its financial assets that were held under repurchase agreements, as mentioned on page 238. These moves suggest a strategic effort to streamline operations and optimize resources. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. This is evident from the multiple references throughout the document that confirm dividend payments. The payment of dividends indicates that the company has generated sufficient profits and is distributing them among its investors. Concerns about inventory buildup and supply chain disruption are emerging in the current economic landscape. A notable indicator of this issue is the significant increase in manufacturing loans, which rose by 12.16% RM 100 and 10.595 billion, as mentioned on page 37. This surge in lending suggests that companies may be struggling to manage their inventory levels, potentially leading to a buildup of unsold goods. Furthermore, efforts are being made to address this issue through the deepening of the supply chain ecosystem by banks. By securing industrial finance and strengthening relationships with suppliers, businesses can better navigate the complexities of global trade and mitigate the risks associated with inventory management. However, these measures may not be enough to prevent disruptions in the supply chain, which could have far-reaching consequences for industries and economies alike. That concludes the financial summary for China Bohai Bank Co. Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.